Let us begin with Chapter 1, Section 1, filling in the missing value. Before we fill in the missing value, let us write down our unit prefixes from larger to smaller. So remember that kilo is 10 to the third, hecto is 10 to the second power, deca is 10 to the 1 power. We have our baseline of 10 to the 0 power, and now we have our smaller numbers. Deci, 10 to the negative 1, centi, 10 to the negative 2, and milli, 10 to the negative 3. Remember, when we're going from a larger number to a smaller number, we move the decimal place to the right. If we are going from a smaller number to a larger number, we move the decimal place to the left. Now let us begin with filling in these spaces. So 13 kilometers, you're going from larger to smaller, so we're going to move the decimal place 1, 2, 3 places to the right. Therefore, 13 kilometers, moving it 3 to the right, 1, 2, 3, is 13,000 meters. So 13 kilometers is 13,000 meters. So now going 25.38 meters is your baseline to millimeters. Again, from large to small, you're moving it 1, 2, 3 places to the right. Therefore, 25.38 is 1, 2, 3, 25,380 millimeters. 345 millimeters. Now we're going from smaller to larger. Smaller to larger, you move the decimal place to the left. So move it to the left one time. Your final answer is 34.5 centimeters. 20.06 meters. Meters is in the baseline to kilometers. Moving it to the left, 1, 2, 3 to the left. You have a 0.02006. Let me write it down here so you can see it a little bit better. 0.2006 kilometers. 1.7 liters is equal to 1,700 milliliters. 60 kilograms is equal to 60,000 grams. Again, remember, from larger to smaller, you move it to the right. 654 grams is equal to 654,000 milligrams. So problem 1 is all done. Let us move to problem number 2. To arrange the quantities in orders from smallest to largest, we need to have them all in the same unit. So let's convert 24 kilometers into meters. So therefore, 24 kilometers is equal to 24,000 meters. 255 meters we leave as it is. 936 hectometers is equal to 93,600 meters. So now going from smallest to largest, the smallest is the 255 meters. 24 kilometers, which is the 24,000 meters, is the second. And then the largest is the 936 hectometers, which is 93,600 meters. So there are your quantities from smallest to largest. Okay, now we do the same thing for the second problem. We convert the centigrams into grams. 9,500 centigrams is equal to 95 grams. 63 decagrams is equal to 630 grams. And 4 hectograms is equal to 400 grams. Therefore, the smallest of these quantities is the 9,500 centigrams, which is the 95 grams is the smallest. The next is the 4 hectograms, which is 400 grams, and the largest is 63 decagrams, which is equal to the 630 grams. And these are your orders of your smallest quantities to your largest quantities. Number 3, we convert the 2 meters to feet. We know that Raymond is 5 feet tall, but Paul is 2 meters tall. Converting the 2 meters into feet, we know that 1 meter is equal to 3.28 feet. We write the meter on the bottom so they can cancel. Doing the calculations, 2 times 3.28 is 6.56 feet. We know Raymond is 5 feet. Therefore, Paul is taller because he is 6.56 feet. Number 4, an exercise session with Miranda, Juanita, and Don drank entire 4 liters of soda between the 3 people. On average, how many liters of soda did each woman drink? We know that 4 liters were drank between the 3 people. Therefore, you have 1.333 liters per person. Converting the 1.33 liters into milliliters, you have 1,333.33 milliliters per person. And this completes section 1 of chapter 1 exercises.